met your mother-in-law near the grill. Oh, toe dilt. What happened to my neighbor won't be shown on the news. He was just grilling shashlik when one remark from his mother-in-law turned his daca into baconar. Watch until the end if you don't want your dinner to fly into the stratospheres. Saturday dacha, Igor was already anticipating the taste of juicy meat. But then, and she came out of the house. But then she came out of the house with that same caring smile that would make any son-in-law's hair stand on end. The mother-in-law approached the grill and whispered tenderly, Igor, I saw the coals dying down. I found a bottle of clear water in the garage and splashed it on the fire. Why is there a skull drawn on it and the word nit from Thane written on it? Fivel what for fire. At that very moment, the grill roared like a fighter jet in afterburner mode. The shashlik went supersonic, and Igor's eyebrows left the chat and seemed to still be somewhere in the sky. Does your mother-in-law help so much?